up everybody? Welcome back to Kiki's Missions. Sunday mission, Sunday reset chill one. Sun's out, it's going to be good weather until like 1 p.m, so I'm going to try and make the most of it. Get some snorkeling stuff, some games. Yeah, we're at Kinney Bay Beach right now. We're going to be walking probably about 3 or 4 kilometers to a beach called Serenity Bay. Super stunning. And yeah, just gonna go have a 10-day chill one. Yeah, a little bit of a Sunday reset on the beach. So come join me just for a super chilled beach explore day. So those little houses there right on the corner, that's Lorries Bay, and Serenity Bay is probably another kilometer after that, kilometer and a half maybe. So just going to be walking day, but it's absolutely stunning today. The water is so blue, and oh yeah, the other thing is I've come to get bait as well, because I know there's a lot of red bait here, and I'm going to try and get some bait hopefully to go fishing during the week. But yeah, see you guys there. This is my mama, Kiki's Missions mama. So this is Lorries Bay, and this is the view it looks out on. So stunning. The Lorries Bay is basically like a private little village, and there's only one road that I know of to get through it. It's through Port Elizabeth. Most of the people just here have holiday homes. It'll come to the weekends. We have a friend who actually rents out one of them, and so nice. It's really untouched, and spend the whole weekend fishing, swimming, snorkeling. So yeah, we are almost at Serenity Bay now. Probably another kilometer or so and we'll be there. And yeah, just gonna have a chill one. How stunning is that though? I mean, oh. What's up, everybody? Just got to Serenity Bay. Look at that. I don't know the actual name of this beach, but our family, we just call it Serenity Bay because it's always like there's nobody else here. And this is the beach side of it. How stunning. I've actually done a few like overnights on this beach, but I want to do one next time where I only eat what I can catch and forage for 24 hours. So let me know what you guys think about that, to come camping on the beach. This spot is really cool because it's really hidden from the wind, and there's not a lot of people that come through here, so it's really safe, and so much ocean life. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that, and I'll pick up the camera again. Yo! Okay, so this is our little beach spot. I'm about to go swimming now. Just gonna put all my goggles and stuff on. The water looks super clear, so I'm really excited to see what I can see. And the water level is really low today. It's low tide at 1 and it's now almost 11, so it's still going to keep dropping and it's just going to keep getting lower and lower, but this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, I'm going to go explore all through here and show you guys what I can find. That's been one of the coolest times I've ever been on. So many fish, so lively, water so nice, so clear. Yeah, so blessed to be here, man, honestly. Look at that, so stunning. Okay. What's up, everybody? Checking in, done with the swimming. Just gonna have a quick little lunch, I think. We have some steak and wat anders het ons? We have potatoes, we have steak, and we have a lekker time and a good attitude. Okay, let me show you guys the fire. This is what we're working with. This is Uncle Ben, the braai master. Who's it? There's the little beach fire going, and then yeah, name a better view for a Sunday afternoon. Okay, a little bit of an update. I'm gonna go throw a few lines with the fishing rod here. I just gotta put the GoPro on charge a little bit before I can use it and show you guys the chest mount POV. But yeah, I'm just gonna go find some crustaceans, throw it on, and then hopefully catch a little fish. And we can either eat it today or keep it and eat it another time at home. So yeah, hopefully the next clip is something truly amazing. Asai! Ah, yeah, baby! Ow! Kom! Nou para ons! What's up, party people? I just got done fishing and we're about to have lunch now. Braai master just finishing up over there. Mama Bear is just catching a little bit of a tan. But yeah, the weather should be turning south in a little bit, so we're gonna try and enjoy the last little bit of sun and then yeah, have a big meal and then probably head home again. Whoop whoop. Hey, braai master! Braai master! Whoa! Okay. Just had lunch. Feels like the bad weather is starting to roll in a little bit more now. Slowly starting to come our way. And we got like a hour and a half hike back to, not a hike, just a walk back to the car. So I think I'm gonna probably help clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road. And yeah, probably see you once we get back to the car or somewhere along the road. Boom boom.